Every military drone begins far from the battlefield, deep inside the earth. These minerals power the eyes and brains of modern warfare. Energy storage begins here, where battery lifelines are born. Without power, a drone is nothing more than dead weight. Strength without weight is the first rule of aerial dominance. Critical frames demand metals that never fail. Every alloy is engineered for stress, heat, and survival.
Precision begins at the atomic level. What drones see can decide everything.
Signals travel through veins of pure conductivity.
Even the smallest parts carry enormous responsibility.
Bonding materials must never break under pressure. Endurance defines operational reach.
Seeing beyond human limits starts here.
Protection begins long before assembly.
Thousands of parts converge toward a single purpose.
Security is enforced at every step. Now, the real construction can begin. Every movement is planned, timed, and monitored.
Routes change constantly to avoid exposure.
Nothing enters without authorization.
Every delivery is verified in real time.
Beyond this point, secrecy is absolute. Even arrival is under constant watch. This is where raw potential enters production. From here, nothing leaves unfinished.
Precision begins with handling. Every component is traceable.
Digital records replace paper trails.
Flow is continuous, never interrupted.
Integrity is checked again and again.
The factory reveals itself layer by layer.
Every second is accounted for. Chaos is engineered out of the system.
Only cleared materials move ahead.
Now, manufacturing truly begins.
This facility is built for one purpose only. Its location is known. Its work remains unseen.
Every entry is controlled.
Identity is verified before skill is trusted.
Uniformity prevents mistakes.
Clean environments protect sensitive systems.
Every part enters with a destination.
The factory comes alive.
Scale demands coordination.
Nothing is stored without logic. Automation removes uncertainty. Accuracy starts before assembly.
Every movement is pre-calculated.
Human oversight still matters.
The drone finally takes shape.
Precision is verified repeatedly.
Everything pauses, then moves.
Before building further, everything must be purified. Before assembly continues, contamination must be erased. Even invisible particles can cause failure. Static is controlled, not ignored. Precision parts demand microscopic cleanliness. Clean is only the first step.
Human eyes still catch what machines miss.
Anything imperfect is removed immediately.
Organization prevents costly mistakes. Every part gains a digital identity. Data flows faster than the parts themselves. Final preparation is done by hand. Even screws have their place. Sensitive systems demand sterile handling.
Moisture is a silent enemy.
Cleanliness is preserved until assembly.
Now the real work begins.
The line is cleared.
Transformation is about to begin. Raw shapes now become engineered structures.
Tolerances here are measured in microns.
Every operation demands the right instrument. Hidden pathways carry future intelligence. Geometry is verified before moving forward. Orientation determines accuracy. Strength is added exactly where needed. Bonding transforms layers into one. Heat locks strength into place.
Conditions are never left to chance. Stress is released slowly.
Failure here prevents disaster later.
Everything has a predefined home.
Loose connections are unacceptable. Protection is built into the structure. Fit is tested before commitment.
The foundation is approved.
Now, intelligence is added. This is where the drone gains its intelligence. Every system must speak the same language.
Decisions are made here, faster than human thought.
Signals must travel flawlessly.
Nothing is assumed. Everything checked.
Check. This is how the drone sees.
Stability defines clarity.
Orientation is never left to chance.
Connection must survive distance and interference.
Energy is controlled before it is released.
Endurance is engineered, not hoped for.
Heat is the enemy of reliability.
Thrust demands absolute alignment. Power meets precision. Balance prevents failure at speed. Movement equals control.
For the first time, it wakes.
Now, machines take over. Automation removes human variance.
Perfect symmetry is enforced. Every millimeter is measured.
Movement is tested before flight. Power is introduced carefully.
Resonance can destroy precision. Thousands of missions are flown before the first real one.
Decision-making is trained, not guessed. Multiple senses become one awareness.
Silence is sometimes the objective.
Failure must always have a backup. Conditions are about to get extreme. Weather is simulated, not waited for.
Altitude is rehearsed safely.
Only data decides readiness. The machine approves the machine.
Now, precision meets polish.
Perfection is refined, not rushed.
Now the machine is refined for the real world.
Small flaws can create big problems.
Airflow depends on perfection.
Protection is layered, not assumed.
Durability is locked in. Visibility is careful managed. Nothing disrupts the profile.
Function and form merge. Identity is permanent. Es verkade the canpaping.
Every surface matters. Feel confirms what sensors report. Vision must remain flawless.
Balance defines stability.
The build is complete.
Protection continues beyond the line.
Approval is never the final step. Now, the drone must prove itself.
Inspection begins.
Every drone begins its final journey with a meticulous visual inspection. Structural integrity is verified under simulated aerial stresses.
Power systems must endure rigorous cycles before flight readiness.
Each control signal is calibrated to perfection for precise navigation. Imaging systems are finely tuned to capture every detail in any environment.
Aerodynamic performance is simulated under controlled conditions.
Drones must survive extremes of temperature and moisture.
Every vibration and jolt is analyzed for structural resilience.
Flight software is scrutinized to ensure flawless AI responsiveness.
Stabilization systems are calibrated for precision footage and targeting.
Secure, long-range communication is essential for operational control.